Recently, Tom Sprague suggested a subject for a mini seminar. He said, when I get a photo in an email that is too large so it overlaps the screen, how do I make it smaller? Well, let me show you. I recently sent myself an email with a photo buried in the text. It's not attached, it's actually in the text of the email, and it's too large to fit on this current screen of my email program. You can scroll up and down, you can slide up and down, you can see most of it, but you can't see all of it all at the same time. So, what do you do about that? Well, you can't actually change the photo in the email program because the person that sent it was the person that sized it. But you can look at it somewhere else. And how do you do that? Well, you've got to get it out of this email program. And the easiest way to do that is right-click on the photo and you get some options. You can save the image, copy the image address, etc. What you want to do is save the image as, which means you're going to put it in your computer in a file. And here you get to choose the name of the file. It will pick up the same folder in which you last downloaded something. And that is my downloads folder, and that's fine. So I'm gonna call this thing Oversize photo email. Okay, and I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to open it in another program. So now I am going to go down to my taskbar and open File Explorer and find that photo that I just downloaded. So I will look in Downloads. I have a lot of stuff in Downloads. I never cleaned this thing out. I should. Okay, P's. Let's back up a little bit to Oversize. Where are you? Here it is, Oversize photo email. And if I double click on that, my photo viewer will open, and there is the entire photo, not truncated, not covered, not anything. And I can then do all sorts of things with it. I hope that helps. Tom, I hope that answered your question.